Well, I purchased the hotel on March 1st of this year, and one of the main changes obviously is bringing Harvey's into the hotel as our restaurant.
I describe my menu and our cuisine as upscale comfort food. Everything is approachable with scratch ingredients. There's dishes that you know the names of and dishes that you have had and tried, but they're just a little bit different.
Beautiful space, elegant space that the Hotel Pattee is known for. Great food, great hospitality, just a total overall positive experience. When they see the menu, they meet Katie, they meet our staff, they're thoroughly going to enjoy their visit.